So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clean Samsung dishwasher filter DW80J3020US. Remove, wash and refit instructions. Step 1 is remove the rack. Open the dishwasher door completely. Pull the bottom rack straight forward and lift it out of the tube. Clear any stray dishes or large food particles from the bottom surface. Second step is unlock the filter assembly. Locate the cylindrical filter assemble at the base of the tub near the lower spray arm. Hold the filter handle to top right firmly. Turn the filter counterclockwise to the left until it releases. Lift the assembly straight up and out of the dishwasher. Third step is separate the filter. Separate the coarse filter from the cylindrical fine mesh filter underneath. Press down or any interlocking plastic tabs. Pull the filter completely apart after realizing the tab. Fourth fix is wash and scrub. Take the pieces off to the kitchen sink. Rinse them under running water to flush out loose sediment. Gently scrub stud on food or grim with a soft distal brush on an old toothbrush. Avoid using stiff wire brushes to prevent tearing the delicate mesh material. Soak pieces in hot water and white vinegar for 30 minutes to dissolve mineral buildup. Fifth fix is clean the sump and reinstall. Wipe out the empty sump area at the bottom of the dishwasher with a damp cloth to clear trapped debris. Snap the coarse and fine filter back together securely. Insert the filter assembly straight down into its housing. Turn the handle clockwise until it locks firmly into position. Replace the bottom rack. Thanks for watching.